I had to go to the trail and pull somebody out, and on the way home, I got a strange ABS code, and a regular scanner don't pick that up. So I just finished pulling someone out of the mud on a hunting trail, and these lights lit up. The ABS light, the traction control light, and a light that says ESPBAS. So let's see what that means. So out of necessity, I had to go to Harbor Freight and pick up this Zurich ZR13s code scanner because I have an ABS issue with this green Jeep here. All right, so my current scan tool doesn't work for that. So let's see if we're going to see what this thing is going to be like to scan the ABS system. All right, get an owner's manual. We'll use that later. You get some batteries. And we've got your cable here and the unit. I thought it came with a carrying case. I guess not. Got to put the batteries in. I have no idea how this turns on. Oh, there we go. English. Standard. No save vehicles. All right, let me figure out how to use this thing. Okay, let's turn this thing on. See how this lights up? That's pretty cool because you can kind of see where to plug it. Okay. And so it's detecting something here. Need to make sure my key is on. Okay, so let's see here. Let's go to system status. We're going to go down to ABS. Enter. Is this your vehicle? Yep, it's 2010 Jeep Wrangler. Yes. So it recognized the Jeep for you. That's pretty cool. All right. So, see, this is why I wanted this, because this tells me the left rear wheel speed sensor circuit is bad. Now, if a regular code scanner would not have picked this up. So, left rear wheel. So, see, I hook up my pocket scanner, and let's see here. And see, this shows no codes, but yet I've got the ABS light, the traction control, and all those funny little letters down there. So what I've got is the traction control warning light, this ESBBAS, and this ABS light. And I hook my regular scanner up, and it doesn't show any codes, but when you have a ABS scanner, you will actually get the correct code, which is what I got. That is here. So the left rear wheel is the driver's side. So the speed circuit in here is either unplugged, bad, or what have you. Now, if I didn't have that type of scanner, I would have had to take every single wheel off because and check it out, because a regular OBD2 scanner is not going to give you ABS codes. Now, what I'm going to try to do is erase this code and see if it comes back. So hit erase. Erasing clears all. So yes. One moment. Erase was successful. So let's see. But it says it's still there. So, all right, it's there. We're going to try to erase it again. Yes. It is trying to erase it. Erase was successful. The lights are still on though. It is rescanning it, and the code is back. So, looks like the next step is to go chase down that. And another cool thing about this scanner is that you can scan the whole entire system. So if I want to go down to all module scan, hit enter, it actually scans everything: the PCM, all the OBD2 codes, the airbag codes, and the anti-lock brake codes. That is pretty cool because regular little cheap scanners do not do that. So let's see what we've got. I suspect we're going to have two codes, an ABS code and probably a speed sensor code maybe. Let's see what happens. All right, 100%. Let's see what it says. All right, this says it's got one code for the anti-lock brake module. We know what that is. We've already looked at that there. Let's see what this engine code is. Implausible left wheel distance signal received. Okay, so I would think that has something to do with that wheel speed sensor. Anyhow, let's see if we can erase that code. Let's see here. Let's erase. Erase looks successful. Okay, so let's see. All right, we're going to do an all module scan again. Scan all modules. Oops, nope, that's before, sorry. Let's back up. Okay, we're scanning all the codes again. We're scanning all the modules, I guess I should say. Okay, so no engine control module code, so it erased that. But let's see here. See, nothing on there. But it still has the anti-lock brake. Okay, so I'm pretty sure that it is a left rear wheel speed sensor that needs replacing, or it just came unplugged. So on another video, I will show you how I repair this green Jeep Wrangler here. But as you see, this code scanner with the ABS scanning software in it does come in handy, and it also prevents an expensive diagnostic repair at a shop. If I were to pay somebody to diagnose this, it's going to cost me $100 and something bucks anyway. So I might as well use that towards a new tool. So y'all have a great day and hope this helps, and look forward to my next video on the repair.